Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Monday 4th of April. And damn, SLP is doing incredibly an amazing job at this point of time. And all those predictions that I was laying down for you a couple of few weeks ago is actually coming true. Yesterday we talked about SLP going to the 0.0273, and now what is going on is that on the 4 hour time frame you started to pick up. And yesterday I told you that there's a big level of support, this point touch right here, one touch right there. Okay, so you're now moving to the upside, and if you're going to take a break here at this point, then where you're going to come down to retrace, let's actually observe where you're going to go back down to retrace. So you could see, um, actually I don't even have an idea that it's gonna go down, to be honest with you. It looks really bullish at this point of time. It might just not go to the downside, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the EMAs, and it does make sense for SLP to come a little bit down to the EMA, maybe to the 246, and then from there bounce off the 246 and hold the 10 EMA on the 4 hour time frame, and then you start to continue to the upside. Okay, so I do expect it's going to take a little bit of a break, then continue all the way to the 0.0408. Okay, there's a huge volume coming in for SLP as well, a lot of amazing volume at this point of time. What's the volume here? 1.513 billion SLP are being traded, so that's a lot of coin. And it does show that buyers are really stepping into the coin as well. So let's see, there could be a little bit of a small retracement down to the 40 something, 40 44, take a little bit of a break, and then from there, boom, go to the upside. So if you consecutively within the next few hours you make one more green candles like this to the 0.0349, the three candles combined is known as the three white soldiers, and that actually means continuation even more to the upside. And you're not going to stop, you're actually going to go potentially take this local high over there, and then we move to our biggest next technical target, which I've been predicting is going to be this. Okay, we following elite wave theory, first wave, second wave, go for the third wave, come back for the fourth, and boom for the fifth, to the 1 cent basically. Yeah, so we are hunting the bears, we're going for the bear hunting, and it's looking really nice, still looking very good. Okay, solid buyers tapping in. I do expect a fractal like this one to play out, something like this once again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bar replication here, from there to there, something like this. If history repeats itself, and this is where we're breaking out of, just look where it takes you, 0.0718. Okay, so this is something very similar. I'm just going to leave this one like this. And if you want to actually learn trading the way I'm doing, you can actually take my trading course for 29 bucks if you want to pay with crypto. Otherwise it's 49 bucks. It's a discount for some time, and if you want to take that discount for a limited time, you can actually grab for that discount. So that's it for the update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.